Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Nokia G11. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Then open it. Now you need to tap on from this screen here. I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now click on Send on Motorola and Receive on Nokia. After that, you need to click on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you can choose all of your files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do that, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and click on Get It. Now on Nokia, choose No Thanks and close this window. After that, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by clicking on this scanning icon here, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the QR code. But we can always just input this key over here instead and connect those smartphones by choosing Receive. Now, in a matter of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!